guys, it's me Namaah, and I'm gonna show you this cool Barbie pouch. So let's begin. This pouch, let's see. Wow, there's a good, beautiful Barbie perfume. Keep right here, you can't see it. Let me show you. Real quick, here's my perfume. Look at this, it's so pretty. Over there, right? Ah, the little fit, so I'm just gonna add it over there. And this body lotion outfit. Oh, wow. So I'm just gonna add it right here. So we're gonna put these things on me. So let's just begin. I'm gonna add this cream first. Oh, because I don't want my hand to slip. So it's cream on the body. Rub, rub, rub. And guys, if you have this makeup set, just try it out. It's so amazing. This is Barbie kind. Ah! It's okay, my mom cleaner. That's okay, it's cleaned. Take some more cream, some more rub it. There we go. Close this. Now we're gonna try it on perfume. That's right. Don't put it on the skin. And guys, if you put it on the skin, it'll burn. Don't put it on the skin. Like that. There. And it's cool because this lid is like a big jumbo diamond, right guys? And it's sparkling. And you can look at the Barbie pouch one more time. Here it is. So, I'm going to add these two things right in. And guys, I'm going to show you one more thing. So I'm just getting it right here. 1 minute. So just wait guys. Some minutes. Right? Oh. Hold on, guys. So, I'm going to use the sanitizer as well. So, it's cool. And if you have this Lifebuoy sanitizer, just tell me in the comments down below. So, I added a baby drop and I'm going to rub it. So let's smell it, guys. It smells like lemon. Can you smell it, guys? If you can't smell it, tell me in the comments down below. So anyway, guys, bye. I hope you enjoyed. Comments down below.